Today we want to learn how to create a calculator application in C#. We'll be using the Visual Studio 2022 to write an application in C#. If you don't know how to open Visual Studio 2022, you go to New File to create a new project. Click Project, then from Project you go to the search, you look for console. From there you see a lot of options to pick from, so you pick the one with the standard .NET framework having C#. So that is the one I've opened right now, and that is the one I'm going to be using. And this is our interface, this is our window, and this is our files. So we are going to go straight away into the application. First I'll declare all my data type. Now I need numbers to run the calculator. I have num1, I have num2 to run the application. I want to store my results in a different data type. I'm using the double data type to store my results. Just like this, and then thereafter the computer will prompt us for an input. And how do we do that? We just go to console, the right line, and it says please enter a number, or you can say enter first number, colon and space, because the person will be entering his input. And the next thing is to pass our number, so that when we are inputting, we'll be able to input number properly. And how do we do that on the computer? We are going to pass integer through string, and I'm going to say num1. It's either you use pass equal to integer.pass, or you use convert. I'll be using integer.pass.readline, and that's it. The next thing we'll do is to get our operator. So first let's put console, the right line, enter operator, enter an operator. Then you must respond by inputting the operator. So let's declare the operator as a string, call it op equals to console.readline, and that is it. So to make it a bit faster, you can copy this and paste it here. Then you make some changes. This will be num2, and then this one can be second, enter second number. So that's that. We have declared our data type, and we are also responding to the input from the computer. If we run it here now, you see that we can respond to the input. So but then we need to do the logic. And what are we going to do? We are going to test each number through an operator. Then if the operator stands, then the mathematical operation will be performed and we'll get a result. Now let's test the first. Let's carry the first test. Let's say if hope is equal to, remember is a string, plus, then something should happen. What do? And we can sum our numbers together. So that will be num1 plus num2. So after summing it, we need to display it on the screen. We use console.writeLine to say the results. The result is plus results. Now what are we saying? We are saying the sum of num1 plus num2 is results, because we are storing that sum in our container called results. Our declared container variable that we have declared up there as double, so that is where we are storing our sum. So let's do another test for another operator. You say else. I'm going to use the else if, not the s. I'm going to use the else if. Please pardon my keyboard. If up is -1, then something should happen, and that is almost the same thing we did here, but this time going to be results equal to num1 minus num2. This thing is going to carry out a perfect mathematical operation when it's done. Console.writeLine, the results, just to repeat what is there, the result is result. Well, I can just copy this to make it faster. It's the same thing. The result is result. Then let's check another operator using the else if statement. Else if, I'm not looking for else. I don't know why my system is jumping like that. Else if you say up, now do the multiplication. Let's clean up this mess. Now multiplication, the same thing. We say results now equal to results equal to num1 star num2. Close it. Declare this and paste it. So that's it. Then let's test another operator. Else if, yes, this time my IntelliSense is getting it right. That is good. And then I paste it right away. So, and finally I can use my else statement to show that okay, in case someone entered an invalid operator, it should report it. Operator invalid. Operator invalid. With this, then we must put console read line so that our application can stay for us to run. Otherwise, the window will just open and close immediately. And this is it. This is our application. So let's run it. Application is running. Yes, that's requested for first number. Let me put, sorry, enter. So let's put 2. You see that it will give me the answer as 2. It will negate. Note that this answer is actually 2 times, but there's going to be a remainder 1. So division, we only do even number activity. It will not give you opportunity to do a remainder. So it will give you 2 because it's correct. So let's do another one. Okay, 8. Then let's look at operator So say that 8 times 4 is what? 32 is working. Let's do something funny. Let's do something funny. So let's see this. Let me enter something else and enter something else. Operator invalid, so that our program is working. Now we can add another operator just to check for remainder. We perform a division where we are supposed to have remainder 1, but it never gave us remainder 1. So we are going to use this, and it is called modulus. Modulus will give you the remainder. So the result equals num1 so modulus num2. So let's run that. Let's say 7. This is going to give us a remainder now. You see, it has given us the remainder. Say result is 1. It has kept the original answer, which is 2, and is displaying a remainder. So that is all for now. If you like this video, click the like button, share it, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.